So in this video, we'll create a free infographic on mobile. This is how it's going to look, but after watching, you can create any infographic you have in mind. So let's get started. The first thing we'll do is download the free Canva app. You will need to create an account. This is the app's main interface. On the top, if you tap on this More button, you will have this Infographics option, which shows many pre-made templates. However, we'll create a blank one. The app will automatically set the image size. Tap on the back button to close the template option. These three dots contain the image options. You can change the project's name, save it, share it, and do a few other things. In Canva, all the things you can add are in this plus icon. Here you can upload your images and videos to use. Canva also has thousands of free photos and videos. We'll use a free photo for the infographics background. Let's type in something. I know a background that will look great. To add this image, touch on it. You can move it by holding it. When something is selected, you will find those options here. I want to make this image the background, so I'll tap on this More option and select the Set this image as the background option. You can still select it and move it to adjust the background position. The next thing is adding text. Let's click on the text option. Canva comes with many built-in text styles. Let's add a plain heading. You will notice two options here. This one is for rotating the object and this one here is for its position. You can move the object easily with this button. Let's place it on the top. Double tap on the text to edit it. I'm going to type the heading text. Down the bottom, we see text options because the text is selected. Let's change the font. Next, adjust the font size, then its color. Canva has text effects that we'll try. You can zoom in and out on the design by pinching. Let's try some effects. I'll apply the shadow effect. When an effect is applied, you can tap on it to open the options. Offset is distance, direction is the direction of the shadow, and blur is blurriness. You can also adjust the transparency and color of the shadow. Looks great. Next, I'll go to Elements where we'll find shapes, graphics, stickers, charts and more. In this section, you also find images and videos. Let's go to Lines and Shapes and tap on the rectangle. We'll change its color. This plus icon lets you set the color you like. However, I know a color code that will look great. I'll put the code here. The rectangle is flexible, so you can adjust the height and width with those edges. Next, I'll tap on this plus button and add a circle. When we move it, we'll see the grid lines to help us place it perfectly. For example, in the center here. Let's change its color. I know of a color code, so I'll put that in here. Next, I'll resize it. With those corners, you can resize any element in Canva. To select multiple objects, tap on one and go to the More option. Then touch on this Select Multiple option. Now choose the elements to select. We'll move this whole thing and place it in the middle. Let's add some more text. Change it to 1 and adjust the font. I'll place it inside the circle. Then add a subheading. Place it inside this rectangle and change its color to something elegant. To copy something, you can always go to the More option and click on the Copy button. Then tap on the Paste icon. We'll move the second one to the bottom and align both texts to the left. I'll change the font size so they fit inside this rectangle. Sometimes when you edit text, Canva removes the boldness, so go to Format and enable bold. Let's do the same for this text. Now we'll select both rectangle and circle and copy them here. Position them further down. You will see this rotate option. This will rotate both because both are selected. let's copy and paste this one text, change the text to 2, then copy and paste this title and description. Now this was time consuming, but there is one other way to copy them all. We'll select all those elements. Then we'll tap on this group option. This way we can move and duplicate the whole group. You can still edit the elements inside a group. So let's change the title and description for the second point. Next, I'll add an image. Let's go to photos and search for something. I like this image. We can crop it from the edges. Let's click on this whole group and this button here to duplicate it. I'll do the same for the second point. We'll change the title, description and number for those 2 points. Once done, our free infographic created on mobile phone is ready. You can save it as an image or PDF in the save option. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. See you next time. Take care.